Hi, welcome back to my channel. So basically today I'm getting ready and wearing an Indian clothes because Mikey wants me to wear Indian clothes. Like God. Hi, welcome back to my channel. I haven't posted, I want to apologize because I haven't posted videos last week. I've been pretty busy and low lately because I was getting more tattoos and stuff, and then I got sick and I wasn't very good, so I haven't I was like, God, if you listen noises, I'm so sorry. It's India. So basically today I am getting ready and probably wearing an Indian clothes because I need to post something and I don't have any good topics in my head right now. I'm very poor at video content. Yeah, I'm gonna probably do my makeup now. I'm going to do some random makeup. I'm just not doing alternative makeup. That wouldn't look good. Alright, I'm done. I have to wear my wig, so yeah. I'll be right back. Alright. Hi. I don't. My hair, my wig is literally so damaged right now. It doesn't want to set. I'm going to show you guys my outfit. I had to wear some earrings. They're they're my mom's earrings because I don't have these kind of earrings right now. Alright, so this dress doesn't fit me that well, so I have to fix it anyway. So okay, alright. I am about to end this video right now. So yeah. Take care of yourselves and I don't know what videos should I make, so like give me some video contents. This video was literally so sad. I'm so sorry. I just wanted to like have fun and anything. This video is so short as well. That's it. I have nothing to say, to be honest. I realized I've never really made an appreciation video for my subscribers. To be honest, reaching 1K subscribers is a lot to me. Like, it's a lot. And thank you. Like, take a second and appreciate yourself for watching my videos and keep supporting me. That's all I want. And yeah, I hope you guys are doing okay. If you ever need to text me, you can text me on Instagram. And yeah, like I changed my Instagram's username a while ago, like 1 or 2 months ago. So it's like a lot of people doesn't knows what it is right now. So it's Poison Baby. It's not X I'm Poison XX anymore. They used to be my name, like my username when I used to have that emo hair. So like also I got this tattoo recently. As I said, I've been busy. So yeah, I got this and I didn't record that one. So you guys probably don't know. If you are from Instagram, you probably know. But if you are not that active there, you probably don't know. So I have 3 tattoos right now. And I got this tattoo last year when I was turning 14, and now I got these two, and I'm turning 15 in like 10 days, and that's I'm not a huge fan of my birthday, but that's my day. Also, a lot of people has asked me for like make a vlog. Like they told me to make a it's India. So like a lot of people has asked me if I can make a vlog for my birthday. Probably no, because my vlogs, like I don't do anything special on my birthday, so I'm sorry. I'm sorry if my phone glitches because I don't have charge at all. It's like dead. So yeah. Alright, so I can't make a vlog. I'm so sorry, you guys. But yeah, I'll try to post a video for my birthday. I'll see. So yeah, take care of yourselves and